neighbor.
Yeah. And then left over there. Oh, little bunny rabbit. See him?
Yeah.
There's a lot of rabbits around here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3-point turn.
I have to do my pullover first.
Yes, pull over safely to the right side of the road and stop. You have an audience.
Oh.
Awesome. So far, you haven't made a single mistake. I haven't written any notes down at all. Then a right turn. Nice. Right at the lights.
I don't think I'm making this one.
Okay.
So I'll just wait till
Sure. But just to point out something though, the front left corner of your bumper, you can bring it into the crosswalk so you can see better.
Okay.
You're still not out in the traffic lane.
Yeah.
You can go even a little bit further than this.
Think I'm good. Don't see anything coming.
Agreed. Right on. So yeah, if you just move it out to the crosswalk line there, you'd be
Okay.
fine.
As long as somebody's not coming, obviously.
Yeah, and the crosswalk, yeah, as long as nobody's using the crosswalk, is that what you meant?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.